Good morning, my young learners. I hope you all are doing well at your homes. Welcome back to your computer class. Kids, in this video, we'll start our new chapter, that is chapter 6, LibreOffice Writer. In your previous class, you have studied about text editor that we used to type text. In the similar way, LibreOffice Writer is also used to type, edit, save, and print a document. So let's learn about LibreOffice Writer. What is LibreOffice Writer? It is a word processing software. But what do you mean by word processing software? Word processing software means the software or the applications that we use to type, edit, save, and print the document. For example, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is also an example of word processing software that we use in Windows. So on the basis of different operating system, we have different softwares that we use to type text. In the similar way, LibreOffice Writer is a word processing software that we use in Ubuntu operating system. It is an application software. I think you all remember about system software and application software, that are the two types of software that we studied in our previous chapter. In that chapter, we have learned that system software controls the overall working of a computer, whereas application software are used to do some specific task. So this is an application software which is specifically used for typing. So it is an application software that helps you to type, edit, and format the text. Now, let's learn more about LibreOffice Writer and know that what else we can do with LibreOffice Writer. It is used to type letters, stories, reports, etc. in a simple way. So, if you want to type your stories, paragraphs, question answers, anything, for that you can use LibreOffice Writer. Next one is make changes in the text while typing and after typing also. Yes, kids, whatever we write in LibreOffice Writer, that document is editable. Editable means you can make changes later on also. Means anytime you can make changes in your document. Next one is give a presentable look to the text. Presentable look means you can add multiple colors, you can make it bold, italic, add different font style and give a presentable look that attracts people towards your document. So in this way you can make your document more attractive and presentable. Next one is add pictures in the document. Yes, LibreOffice Writer provides you the feature with the help of which you can add pictures in your document. Yes, to give it a more attractive look, you can add pictures in your document. Next one is provide spelling and grammar feature. Spelling and grammar feature means it is providing you a auto correct spelling or grammar feature, with the help of which while you are typing, if you have done any mistake in spelling or any grammatical mistake, it will help you to automatically correct it. So it provides you the spelling and grammar feature as well. Next one is copy and move the text. You can copy or move your text from one document to another. Yes, if you have created any two documents in LibreOffice Writer and you want to copy some text from the other document, you can copy that text from that document to this document. So in this way, you can copy the or move the text from one document to another and also within the same document. Next one is set margins on your page. Kids, as we write in our notebook, we set some margins on all the sides of our page, on top, left, right and bottom. In similar way, we can set margins on our page in LibreOffice Writer. Next one is save the text for future use. Once you have created your document in LibreOffice Writer, it is saved for future. You can use it anytime. Last one is you can print a part or whole document. Yes, you can print one page of your document or you can print all the pages of your document. So it helps you to type your text in the document and then print it. So LibreOffice Writer is used to type, edit, save and print the document.
So kids, that's all about introduction of LibreOffice Writer, and in our next video we'll learn its components.